We also have a practice sheet in week 5 called Notes from Scales and Carter Picking. And on the first 2 bars there we've got a really simple arpeggio of an A minor. So an arpeggio is where we just pick through the individual notes of a chord as opposed to strumming them. So we would have like that. In the 3rd bar of the first line though we start to see something a little bit different. So we've got an A minor chord and we pick through that. So 5th string, 4th string, 3rd, 2nd, 1st, and then when we go back up to the 2nd string we've removed this 1st finger, which adds the B note into this, and then 3rd string and then the 4th string. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and... Now it's okay to add the B note in because the B note belongs in the A minor scale and we're playing an A minor chord, so we're just borrowing a note from the A minor scale, throwing it in on top of the A minor chord, and then we get something that sounds a little bit different. When we do that, the chord name actually temporarily changes, becomes an A sus2. But I'm only mentioning that for the theory fans amongst us. We're not really looking at individual chord names once we start just adding or taking away the occasional finger at this point. Okay, so into the 4th bar now, and we're still on an A minor chord, and this time we're going to add this note in, which is the 3rd fret on the 2nd string, and it goes like this. After 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and... So you can see that we had to add that in, and then we had to take it off again. 5th string, 4th string, 3rd string, 2nd string, 1st string, 2nd string, 1st, 2nd. And it's okay to add that extra note in because, you guessed it, that note comes from the A minor scale. So fairly simple concept. In the 4th bar we have the same effect but with a C chord. So you base that around the C chord. We're going to jump to the... Sorry, that was the 5th bar, C chord in the 5th bar. We're going to jump to the 6th bar now, where we have something a little bit different. So this is based around a D major chord. So what we've done here is we've took some of the notes from the D major scale and put them in on top of the D chord. We've created quite a nice descending melody on the 4th string that we play on top of the D chord. So we on D, we pinch, 2nd string, 3rd string, 2nd string, and then the 4th finger goes on the 4th fret, 4th string, that's an F sharp note, pinch that, 2nd string, 3rd string, 2nd string, and then we lift this 2nd finger onto the 4th string, 2nd fret, do that again. So if I can just play bars 6, 7 and 8, I'm going to do this after 4, so 1, 2, 3, 4. Piece continues like that. So by taking a melody from the D major scale, adding that on top of the D major chord, we get this really kind of nice descending feel. Moving on to page 2 of the sheet that is titled Notes from Scales and Carter Picking, we have the rest of the exercise that's based around the D chord, and then we take a brief look at Carter Picking. And I think what we'll do is put that in a separate video. So we've gone through quite quickly on this. I really want you to start using your reading skills and your knowledge of rhythm to be able to play through these. I just wanted to show you what was going on with this hand. So go back through, pause, play, take it slowly, one step at a time, and then once you've done that, then we'll do some Carter Picking.